Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the handwritten digit recognition using deep learning. So in that project we have to draw any number, then the model will predict the particular number like that. Okay, I'm just drawing the number 3 and the model will predict that the user have entered the 3 number. I'm just writing 4, the model will predict the 4. User have to just draw any image, okay, and model will predict according to the user input. So this complete model is trained on the large dataset of the images of numericals. Okay, complete model is integrated with the web interface, and the web interface developed using Django. So this is the Python library, and this is the complete project which we have developed, and you can use for your final year project as a mini project. Okay, thank you friend for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.